here. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a no-knead overnight artisan bread. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Today we're going to need flour, water, yeast, and salt. Combine your dry ingredients in a large bowl and whisk together well. Add your water and mix together until you form a shaggy dough. Cover and let rise for 12 to 14 hours. Stretch and fold 3 to 4 times. Cover and let rest for 30 minutes. While resting, preheat your pot in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Generously flour the bottom of your hot pot. Bake for 30 minutes, then remove your lid and bake for an additional 5 to 15 minutes until your desired crust color has been achieved. Cool on a wire rack. I hope you enjoy!